Hello friends, I'm Arun Mandapaka and my team of consultants are Mr. Srinivas, Mr. Prithvi and Ms. Ramya. We belong to the Spartan Consulting Services. Our project is to develop a database and user interface for ANALYTE Consulting Private Limited. Now let's take a quick look at the background of the company. ANALYTE Consulting Private Limited is a startup non-profit consulting company in India. It is set up to provide smart analytical and business solutions. It uses various technologies as SAS, Statistica, IBM SPSS model, R, and many more technologies. This company will expand its personnel by taking in more consultants based on new projects. When we look into the present situation of the company, this company was started 8 months back and it is using Excel sheet to store and process the data related to the employees as well as the clients. This is a major setback for the company as there is a lot of data loss, too much manual effort, lack of integration which resulted in lot of loss of customers. As there is no interface to interact with the database, there is always a possibility of data redundancy, dependency and data isolation. When we analyze this system using pieces framework, the existing system is inefficient and ineffective. The information is highly valuable, but it's not organized. The cost incurred is quite redundant. The security of the data is very poor, and there is no efficient process which defines the current system. On the whole, it hampered companies' prospectus as well as reflected bad image in front of the customers. So in order to propose the solution, as consultants, we have gone ahead to collect the requirements of the company, based on which we have done a detailed analysis. As consultants, we have prepared a set of questions for the representatives of the company. These questions covered the requirements like the data that has to be stored in the new system, the validation, output, and the business documents, and as well as the design structure of the user interface. Based on the requirement collections and detailed analysis, the solution that was proposed is to develop a user interface and database to maintain the client and the employee info. The needs of the ANALYTE Consulting Private Limited is met by creating a front-end user interface in ASP.NET and database using SQL Server. As consultants, we have taken up this project with sincere effort and detailed project planning. Our team has sit together to break down the tasks into different phases and assess the number of days to complete the task. We were successful in following this project plan, which gave us excellent results and also great project planning experience. We have completed the project in record number of 49 days. Now let's go ahead with the system design. As you can see, use case diagram is a representation of user interaction with the system. You can see that the prospective employee, the HR, the employee, the manager, the client are the actors, and these are the different use cases and the interactions as shown in the diagram. And coming to the entity relationship model, this is a data model for describing a database. The entities are the employee, client, project, career, department and HR, and the relationships among them are shown in the diagram. And coming to the physical data flow design, this diagram shows how particular functions are performed within the data flow. In this diagram, for example, if we consider here the manager prepares the project plan by making use of the project data from the database. Now this is the physical design which gives us a complete perspective as to how the web browser or the mobile device interacts with the system. From the diagram, it is clear that we can see there is a web server, database server, and a user. Now Ramya is going to continue with the presentation.
Thank you, Arun. Coming to the development, we used ASP.NET for developing the user interface and SQL Server for the database. Now that we developed the system, we have tested the system using the manual testing. We use techniques like unit testing, user acceptance testing, and integration testing. After the implementation, the prototype of home screen looks like this. It has hyperlinks to home, technology, services, and login pages. The employees and client and can log into the system and can perform various activities. As a prospective employee, he can register using this page. This is a screenshot which shows the registration is successful. This screenshot shows the prototype employee screen page. Here the employee can check his profiles, projects, and enter his timesheet. It also allows to edit his profile and view the payroll. Now coming to this admin's page. The admin has different privileges to create database backup, insert database, and also deleting a database. This is a create database page where the admin can create a database, and when a database is created, a successful message is displayed. This is a backup database, and this is a page for restoring a database. Developing user interface and database for ANALYTE Consulting Private Limited has many advantages and gave them excellent results. It helps the company to face the competition, which will have a lot of business benefits to the company and can gain 100% customer satisfaction. Our team would like to take opportunity to express humble gratitude to Dr. Nick Dalal for his constant guidance and willingness to share his vast knowledge to help us to complete the project. It has been a great learning experience to us, being a part of advanced system analysis and class. Thank you. Any queries?